You might be doing things every day that quietly make people dislike you. And no, it's not because you forgot to say thank you to the barista. These are unconscious habits that silently push people away. Let's break down 5 of them. Ever done this? Someone says, "I went to Paris." And before they can breathe, you go, "Oh my god, I went there too. We stayed in this cute hotel with free cheese." Yeah, that's called story hijacking. You mean to relate, but it actually makes people feel unheard, like their story didn't matter. Instead, let them finish. Ask, "Oh wow, how was it?" Then after they're done, share your story. Conversation is not a race to prove who had the cooler vacation. We all love to give advice. It makes us feel helpful, wise, like a walking TED Talk. But when people didn't ask for it, it can sound condescending, like you think you know their life better than they do. Try saying, "Do you want me to listen, or do you want my advice?" That one question can save a friendship. And maybe your group chat status. "Oh, I thought you were vegan. Oh, I thought you said you were quitting coffee. Please, don't be the 'I remember your old habits' police." Calling people out like that makes them feel judged and defensive. People change. Let them. Unless they're trying to rob a bank, maybe don't bring up last year's promises. Saying things like, "Oh, that's easy," or "anyone could do that," doesn't make you sound confident. It makes you sound dismissive. It minimizes their work and kills connection. Instead, validate. "That's awesome. That must have taken a lot of work." Compliments are free. Use them generously. If someone says, "That happened on Tuesday," and you jump in with, "Actually, it was Wednesday," stop. No one's giving out trophies for accuracy here. You might be right, but you'll still lose, because connection matters more than correction. If it's not central to the story, let it go. These habits usually come from good intentions, wanting to relate, help, or be precise. But they often backfire and make people pull away. So next time you talk, focus less on being right, and more on making people feel respected, heard, and valued. These habits usually come from good intentions, wanting to relate, help, or be precise. But they often backfire and make people pull away. So next time you talk, focus less on being right, and more on making people feel respected, heard, and valued.